Hi, it's me again, Katharina Spurling-Kaffl. And if you are still on the fence about participating in our workshop in October in Germany, don't wait any longer. I have great news. Reinhard Becker, who is a researcher out of Belgium, and he actually came the first time 9 years ago to my workshop because his girlfriend was all excited about the tools, and he had an equipment to test if the tools really do what she said they do. And he was blown away and became one of our most successful distributors. So you have a chance to see Reinhard, see how he's testing, see the results that happen when people are using our tools. So there is first come, first serve, getting a test with Reinhard. Don't wait any longer, sign up for the workshop, and I see you in October. October 11th for Friday nights, meet and greet, and Saturday, dowsing, and Sunday, all about the light left tools. I look forward to seeing you. Thank you.